In this video, I'll discuss one more question regarding interest on capital. 38th question. Kavita and Leela are partner with capital 6 lakh and 4 lakh, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. The partnership deed provides that interest on capital shall be at the rate of 8% per annum, and it is to be treated as a charge against profit. So here one condition is there, it will be treated as charge. Prepare relevant account to allocate the profits in the following alternative cases. This is case number 1, when profit of the year is 1,10,000. Case number 2, if profit of the year is 35,000. And case 3, when loss for the year is 10,000. Since it is treated as charge, so you will go for preparing P&L account, not P&L appropriation account. Here case number 1. First of all, as per working, I had calculated interest on capital, which will be treated as charge. Here Kavita's opening capital 6 lakh, 8%, that is 48,000. Leela opening capital 4 lakh, 8% here is 32,000. So interest on Kavita and Leela we had calculated. Now we will prepare here P&L account, not P&L appropriation, because क्वेश्चन में क्या कंडीशन है? डीड इज स्टेटिंग दैट इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल विल बी ट्रीटेड एज चार्ज. So here profit in the first case, that is 1,10,000. I had written by profit during the year 1,10,000. Interest on capital, it is a charge expense. So here is Kavita, here is Leela, sum total 80,000 in the outer column. So balancing figure here is 2 net profit. It is not net divisible profit, it is net profit, and ratio of distribution of profit is 2:1. So 1,10,000, here I had written 1,10,000. Out of this 80,000 has been deducted. Balancing figure is net profit 30,000, which is distributed between Kavita and Leela in the ratio of 2:1. 20,000, 10,000. In the second case, profit during the year here is 35,000, and interest we had written on the debit side. So since it is charge, so profit चाहे कम है और ये खर्चा एज एन इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल ज़्यादा है, इवन देन पूरा का पूरा इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल प्रोवाइड करा जाएगा पार्टनर्स को, विच इज़ 80,000 मोर देन अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ प्रॉफिट. एप्रोप्रिएशन के केस में ये जो है, जो अवेलेबल प्रॉफिट है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली प्रोवाइड करा जाता है, पर यहाँ पे ये चार्ज ट्रीट करा जाएगा, इसलिए पूरे का पूरा इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पार्टनर्स को दिया जाएगा, चाहे कंडीशन क्या है, अवेलेबल प्रॉफिट इज़ नॉट एडिक्वेट. सो द रिजल्टेंट फिगर हेयर इज़ नेट लॉस डिविजिबल बिटवीन कविता एंड लीला एज पर 2:1. हेयर 30,000 कविता एंड 15,000 लीला. Now third case. In the third case, loss during the year is given, that is 10,000. Interest is treated as charge, so it will be recorded on debit side of P&L account. Even in case of loss, अगर ये appropriation होता, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल तब लॉस के केस में प्रोवाइड नहीं करा जाता, पर जब चार्ज होता है तो आपको इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल पार्टनर्स को देना ही देना है. इट इज़ कविता, इट इज़ लीलाज इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. हेयर द सम टोटल ऑफ डेबिट साइड इज़ 90,000. So by net loss, this is the balancing figure 90,000 transferred to partners capital account, 2:1 ratio. So Kavita's share 60,000, Leela's share 30,000. In this way we had done a question having different conditions of profit, and deed is stating that profit will be treated as charge. Hopefully you are understanding how you will treat interest on capital in different cases, in different situations of profit or loss.